It's a bath bomb.
Oh, oh, pajama. Oh, I got cupcakes.
It's a bath bomb. It goes in the bathtub when you take a bath.
Oh my gosh, it's a farm one, Mom?
It's a...
Hey, Mom, look, the Grinch is gonna get you. Grinch, oh. I got you, Grinch. Okay, boy, burn. I can't see.
Do what? Yeah, I've been.
I thought we were going different routes. Okay.
What is it, Cordy?
Down there. A little bit of frosting right there. Now can I make my own cookie?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Eat it.
Oh, yeah. That was good icing.
I don't want it. Put it back if you don't want it.
No. No, I made it, Dave. I might eat that one, Dad.